3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
In this guide, I'll show you the step-by-step process for downloading, installing, and activating the Microsoft Office 2024 Ultra Preview version entirely free of charge. This version is ideal for those wanting to explore new features and functionalities ahead of Office 2024's official launch. 6. Standing for Long-Term Servicing Channel is designed for organizations requiring a perpetual one-time license instead of a subscription-based model like Microsoft 365. Start by obtaining the Office Deployment Tool, which is available from the Microsoft Download Center. Download the tool and save the executable file. Next, create a folder named Office 2024 in your C drive and paste the file into this folder. Run the executable as an administrator, accept the license terms, and proceed by selecting the Office 2024 folder as the extraction location for the old files. Now you'll need a configuration file called configuration.xml, which tells you what to install. Copy this file into the Office 2024 folder. A download link will be provided. Open the Office 2024 folder, type CMD into the address bar, and press enter to launch command prompt in this directory. In the command prompt window, input a command to start installing Office Ultra Preview using OT. Allow the installation process to complete. It may take some time, so be patient. Once the installation finishes, proceed to activate Office 2024. Open any Microsoft Office application, such as Word or Excel. Navigate to the Account section and click on Change Product Key. Enter the product key provided, which will also be available via the download link, then close the application and reopen it. Upon relaunch, a pop-up will prompt you to select an activation method. Choose I want to activate over the internet. With this step completed, your Office 2020 View version is now activated. Keep in mind that preview versions of Microsoft Office are generally time-limited and intended for evaluation purposes only. Once the official release of Office 2024 becomes available, you'll need to purchase a license to continue using the product. Until then, enjoy exploring the software for free.